everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to read Kindle on laptop. To read Kindle on laptop, first of all go ahead and launch open a web browser. In the URL box type in read.amazon.com and search. Now, sign into your Amazon account by clicking on sign in with your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one by clicking on create an Amazon account and follow through the instructions. After clicking on sign in with your account, if you already have an account, you can go ahead and enter your email address or your phone number followed by your Amazon account's login password. If you don't remember the password, you can click on the forgot password link and follow through the instructions till the end. Finally, click on sign in after entering the credentials and you will then be able to access your Kindle library. Click on the book to start reading it and there you have successfully opened up a book on Kindle library on your laptop. As you read, you can go ahead and adjust your font size by clicking on the AA icon at the top right corner. Increase or decrease your font size or choose a different font style if available. By following these steps, you can easily read Kindle books on your laptop and enjoy a seamless reading experience. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.